Araw mga ka-PS, Professional Security TV. Dito tayo ngayon, nag-upload naman tayo ng panibagong video para sa ating pag-share, kaunting kalaman para sa kasamahan natin sa industriya, sa ating mga ka-5 na dyan. Sa ating mga minamahal na subscribers, maraming salamat sa palaging sumusunod sa ating mga uploaded videos. Ngayon naman po ay gagawa tayo ng incident report na mula kay guard, the duty guard, hanggang sa pinasa niya doon sa kanyang UIC, at si UIC naman gumawa ng report para sa kanyang general manager, channel sa kanyang security manager. So dalawang report ang ipinakita natin ngayon. Ito ang gawa ni OIC at ito naman ang gawa ng guard na nakagawa ng accidental firing. So makikita nyo sa itaas yung pangalan ng security agency, RBM Security Agency. Ito yung logo nila, address. So ganon. Para kay SO Asido, the UIC, then true. Again, yung true pagcha-channel doon i-channel kay IC. Subject incident report. Date 25 July 2022. Ito yung military manner date. Dito baka magbigla kayo na bakit agad sir, na parang walang respect. Kasi sa iba nilagyan ng dear sir. Kapag nalagyan mo yung dear sir, para ka magpapadala ng love letter doon sa sir mo. Ito po ay incident. So yung iba pa nga lagyan ng dear sir, ma'am. Katulad nito, lagyan natin dear sir, ma'am. Yan. Kasi para daw kahit sinong bumabasa ay para sa kanila. Sa akin naman po ay hindi na kailangan lagyan ng dear sir, ma'am. Hindi na kalagayan ng lagyan ng ma'am, kasi ang intention ng report na ito ay para kay UIC Asido which is male officer, lalaki siya. Channel or true is Odumlog, lalaki din. So sir, diretso. Okay? Kasi para lagyan man dear sir, ma'am, parang gumawa ka ng request letter or something, parang ano ba, not common na gagawin nating magpapadala ng sulat. Ngunit tayo po ay under supervision of the PNP, particular the RCSU for regional, then SOSIA for national. Dito agad tayo sa ibig sabihin, sir. Okay, simulan natin basahin ang report ng guard. Sir, submitted herewith my incident report regarding accidental firing that I have committed as a result of my negligence of duty. So, ang report na ito ay incident report para sa kanyang UIC at SSC. Sa baba, facts of the incident. Okay, paragraph number 1. Makikita nyo, naka-paragraph tayo, numbering talaga. Hindi yung lagyan mo ng arrow, bulleted, or ano pa. Dapat number 1, sequence yung scenario, yung pangyayari. Number 1, that on or about 06:25 100 Hotel. Today, ngayon, nung nangyari, kasi same date sila doon sa date na ginawa ng guard. July 25, 2022, my issued firearms were accidentally fired without my knowledge when I'm checking and doing turnover of issued firearms to my incoming guard is G. Malimut Maligan. So itong kiniklaim niya na without my knowledge, wala siyang kalam-alam kung bakit pumutok yung baril niya, yung issued firearms, ay titingnan natin kung yung claim niya ay tama o totoo ba. Dito sa paragraph number 2, prior to the incident, I remember that first I do release the magazine, followed by the chamber procedure, yung kinasa yung baril, to ensure that no live ammunition or ammos inside the chamber. But all of a sudden, the issued firearm fired that caused damage to the glass of the front door of my post. So, yan yung nangyari. May accidental firing, may damage to property, yung glass panel or glass door. Ang ginawa ni guard, action taken ni Mamang Guard. Paragraph number 3, continuous yung numbering. Immediately, the incident reported to the duty manager in the person of Miss Doreen Nubia. Took pictures of the affected or damaged glass panel. I also made search within the vicinity and found the deformed slug and empty shell from 9mm caliber pistol. So, nakita niya yung slug at saka yung empty shell galing sa kanyang issued firearms doon sa incident scene. So dito, for your information and reference, prepared by SG Magdalena Maria, Guard on Duty. So, wag na kayo maglagay ng from dito ha, sa yung practice natin na professional writing report sa bilang isang professional security guard. Kasi, gaya ng sabi natin, kapag maglagay ka ng from, yan ay tinatawag na interdepartmental report. From security department to admin department to HR department. So, malalaman naman natin kung sino o saan galing itong report kahit walang from dito. Okay. Dito, siya yung gumawa. Prepared by SG Magdalena Maria, Guard on Duty. So, itong sample ng incident report ng guard na accidental firing, si OIC gagawa ng official report para maisumite o maisubmit niya doon sa kanilang general manager at i-channel niya doon sa kanilang security manager. Okay. Ano ba yung departmental na meron ng from dito? Tingnan natin. Okay. Ganon pa rin. Yung pangalan ng agency, yung detachment. Yung ginagamit for mataas sa kanya, through channel sa kanyang security manager. Kasi departmental, itong for GM, Office of the General Manager, through Mr. Magsino Kaman, CSP, Security Manager. Ito yung Office of the Security Manager. From Security Department, dahil ang Security Department ay under the Security Manager. Incident report, accidental firing. So dito sa from, wala kang makikita ang pangalan ng tao kasi galing ng Security Department. Paano malalaman kung sino ang gumawa nito? Dito tayo sa baba. Kung sino gumawa, si OIC. No? Si OIC. Okay? Balikan natin. Ang report ni OIC pinadala ni GM sa kanilang general manager through channel kay Security Manager from Security Department na under sa supervision ng OIC. Subject, incident report. Nature of incident, ito, accidental firing. Yan, accidental firing. Date, 27. Date, time of incident, 25 July 2022. Location or place or location, post number 6, Guadalupe, Quezon City. Person involved, SG Magdalena Maria, Guard on Duty. Narrative facts. Okay. Ganon pa rin. Naka-paragraph numbering pa rin ha. Number 1, number 2. So, basahin natin ng maigi. Above mentioned date. So, above mentioned date, time, and place. So, ito. Above mentioned date, time, and place. Okay. Incident of accidental firing transpired when the outgoing guard, SG Magdalena Maria, prepared for turnover to the incoming guard, SG Malimot Maligan, while she was checking the issued firearm 9mm caliber pistol and turned accidentally fired. The incident was done inside the store based on the results of the damage from the front door glass panel. No persons injured during the incident. So ito, In her short written report submitted to this office, sa kanyang sinamiti na report, ito yung report na sinamiti kanina ni guard. So, makikita nyo. Okay. In her short written report submitted to this office, she narrated that she has no knowledge that there was bullet load inside the chamber after she released the magazine, then accidentally fired without the latter's knowledge. So, nilagyan dito ni OIC, please see attached marked as annex. So, ito, nilagyan ng annex ni OIC na mayroon, most of mga annexes dito ilagay. Dito, banda. Tapos, pirmahan ni OIC. Okay? Paragraph number 3. Initial investigation supported with available pieces of evidence that based on the circumstances, the lady guard failed to observe the proper handling of pistol-type firearm as to her claim that she has no knowledge that the chamber was loaded after she released the magazine. It is because contradict to the golden rule, sa ating firearms golden rule, that ang sabi doon sa golden rule, always consider that the gun is loaded. So, ito. For a pistol unit, it is very visible from our naked eye, the chamber case, if it is loaded or not. It was also established that the incident transpired inside the store as to the results that can be seen to the damaged glass panel outside broken hole bigger than the size from the inside view, a theory that the gun fired and pointing outside. Attached picture pieces of evidence. So, hahanapin natin yung pictures na attached daw. So, for your information and reader reference, prepared by Isu Balbahoto Gahi, officers in charge. So, pinadala niya kay Office of the General Manager through channel Office of the Security Manager from Security Department, kung saan si OIC ay under sa kanyang supervision. Nature of incident, accidental firing. So dito, ito na yung pieces of evidence recovered from the incident scene. Okay. Ito, recovered items from the incident scene, deformed slug broken into pieces. So ito yung slug, broken siya. And empty shell, ito. So ang empty shell na recovered, ito ay merong makita na dented paloob. Ibig sabihin, ito yung fired center primer cap dented. Ibig sabihin ay pinaputok as the result. No? So, ayan yung na-recover. Dito naman, ito yung front glass door of the store. Ito yung damage sa labas. At ito yung damage sa labas at sa loob. So makikita na kung saan ay talagang ano siya, malaki ang damage. Okay? So, sana naman mga ka-Professional Security TV, KPS, Professional Security, ay mayroon tayong kaunting nalalaman sa ating na-share ngayong araw na ito, at sana naman po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo habang kayo ay nag-duty, at asahan nyo sa next video natin yung nag-request ng security survey report, ay asahan mo kapatid, ka-59, na susunod gagawin natin yan para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po KPS, ka-Professional Security TV, at sana naman po sa hindi pa naka-subscribe at nakapanood na, please subscribe sa ating munting YouTube channel para sa accounting kalaman. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all. Thank you.